Hey guys, welcome to another episode about SQL. So for today I'm going to teach you how to use functions average, sum and count. First of all, let me type this code. Once again, I'm using this database from our previous episodes, and now I'm selecting only this column price from item table, and we have these 7 elements, and I would like to get sum of all of these values. Let's say that you are going to buy a unit from every single item we have at our disposal. How much that is going to cost you? In order to use that function, you are going to wrap this price column with functions sum. And if I run this code, you see, if we want to buy from every item we have, we are going to pay 20.4 USD. And if you want to know average price for all of the elements, just instead of sum, type AVG. AVG stands for average, and if you run this code, you are going to get this result, 2.91. That is our average price. And if you just want to know how many elements you have in item table, instead of AVG, type count. If you run this code, you are going to get number 7. And I would like to show you another thing. If you just run this select statement to get every single value, you are going to get 8 elements. But keep in mind, functions like sum, count and average are not using these values null. So value null is avoided in calculations. So that's all about this subject. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.